So you're in pictures. So pick the one of the videos.
The first one.
That's fine. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now go to edit, which is that little pencil. Okay. All right. So up here is a little thing. It says add. That's the add video. And then it'll show your picture roll again to add the other video you want to add. All right. And then hit done. Now, it may put them in the wrong order, but that's okay, because if they're in the wrong order, you can just press on one and pull it and drag it to the order that you want it in. So is that the first one? You can tell by hitting play. Oh, no, it's not the first one. You know that? So put your finger down the screen, hold it, and then drag it to the right. There you go. And it switches places.
Yes.
So now this is the line where you're going to start watching the video if you hit play now. But you can go back like that.
Nice.
And now hit play.
This?
Yeah. Right. And now you can drag this to the transition point so you can see where it transitions from one to the other and see how much was actually cut out. So let's... I don't know why the camera just cut out.
Oh, it's good. It's fine.
Barely noticeable. It's a little bit noticeable, but you could even do a transition there
No,
too.
that's okay.
All right, so if you want to keep that the way it is, hit save, and it'll start an entirely new file. It might take a minute because it's a long video.
Okay.
And you'll save the video, and you'll have an entirely new video.
Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I need to just share this to my drive, and then I'm going to send that from my drive to her.
So that's how you splice two videos together using an Android.